So we're here in Clovis, California. We just finished the faucet installation. This faucet is a fixture Venturi provided by the homeowner, and it's a pretty nice faucet. It's got a little rainfall or waterfall effect to it, so hot and cold. We tested this out. Everything looks good. Pretty quick mounting system, and then we love the pop-up drain from fixture. Eliminates the the pull rod back here up and down, and then the lever down below, and it's a quick set on this. So just one huge nut in the middle seals it, and you're done. We did have some trouble with the existing Schedule 40 P-trap. It began to leak, and we couldn't get it tightened down. Not a lot of room back there to tie into existing plumbing because the original plumber of the home had come in and cut the pipe and put a coupling right there. And there was a little bit of pipe for us to tie into, so we cut it back. Not as much as we would like to see. It's about a 1/2 inch of pipe for that adapter, which is this portion right here. This adapter, oh, come on, what am I pointing at? Right there. That adapter is only on about a 1/2 inch, should be about 3/4. But anyways, got glued on there. We got this tubular P-trap shoved back in there pretty far. Hopefully everything works good. Right now, we're going to run water down it and make sure it doesn't begin to leak out of there, but everything looks good. All tubular now, so you can take this apart. All the nuts, 1, 2, 3, and then also 4, and then you can clean straight out into the drain if you have a drain clogged in there. Get straight into the piping. So that's all we use, the tubular P-trap. So that looks great. Everything's looking good. We're gonna let this run for a little bit and start another project here. Outside of that, this installation is done.